Hey, what is going on, folks? Welcome back to another episode. I got a pretty interesting case here for an iPhone 14 Pro. There is a version of this in iPhone 14 Pro Max as well. And so if you guys are looking at this, there is another version, okay? So this one right here was sent to me from TORRAS. If you guys don't know TORRAS, they are one of the best case manufacturer out there, in my opinion. All of their case has been super high quality, every one of them that I've tested. I think this one's gonna be just fine. So this is your standard clear case with a Magsafe. Right now, I recommend just getting Magsafe cases. Don't get any other kind of case. Like silicone case usually don't have Magsafe on them. But yeah, just make sure that you get cases with Magsafe. Let me show you this. There's a clear backing on here. You can take off there. I don't think there's one on the inside. I don't think so, at least. So check this out. They have their little logo right here. And speaking of logo, there is a logo on the side right here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, it's kind of integrated in there. I have an iPhone 14 Pro right here that's black. So let's see here. Should fit. Yeah. That's what it looks like on black. So if you look at the corners right here, they have some nice like bubble in them. Basically what that means is that this is deliberately put in here, by the way. Most of the time when you drop your phone, I don't know why, it just hits the corner every single time. And so that's the reason why on the corners you see the bubbles on there. So it'll, you know, absorb some of those drop. For the camera lens, this thing is pretty thick. So if you put it on the table, that's what pretty much the purpose is for, is that if you put it on a table like this, that it doesn't touch your lens that are back here, all three lenses. The button has a little bit texture to it. It's raised a little bit. I'm not sure you can see that or not. You see that? It's raised just a little bit. Just a little bit. So you can see that right there. So if you were to close your eyes and feel on it, you can tell where the buttons are. Let's test this out right here. The Magsafe. I mean, it's pretty, yeah, obviously it charges it, but pretty strong. And it's not just with this case. Any TORRAS case that I have tested out have been like this. It's been pretty strong. Yeah. So let's say if you have like a Magsafe in your car and you know you're driving down the road, right? And if it shakes a lot, you're gonna expect that thing to hold on. And so yeah, this thing will be just fine. One other thing that I want to also point out is that if you look at this right here, you see how the camera bump doesn't really touch the Magsafe. You see that? So the way they've designed this, they've tried to avoid that so that you don't touch the camera bump. So let's say if you go this side, same way. So that's it right there, guys. That's the TORRAS iPhone 14 Pro clear case with the, well, they call it magnetic, but I call it Magsafe. So anyway, that's it right there. Pretty good stuff. Have a good one.